Quintus Smyrnaeus, The Fall of Troy, Episode 2. In this episode, we'll look at Book 1, lines 4 through 6, also in dactylic hexameter, of course. E uteni xulachoi siba es blasuroi ala ontos. El themen uk ethelu sin enantiai al la febontai. Ille don pto su sayana chrope iapukna. As Quintus continues describing the Troas, the Trojans, after the death of their champion Hector, he uses an epic simile. Just as eut, among the brambles, among the thickets, xulakoisi, and ni is the Attic preposition en, this is the epic form, and xulakoisi is feminine, plural, and dative. It means any collection of trees, bushes, shrubs, etc. Just as among the thickets, the cattle, boes, blusoroia leontos, masculine singular genitive, meaning a fierce, savage lion. The cattle, boes, elthemen uk ethelusin, they do not want, they are unwilling, uk ethelusin, and then elthemen is the infinitive object of ethelusin. Elthemen is an aorist infinitive, it's an epic form from the deponent verb erchomai, and this is the third principal part. This is an infinitival ending in the epic dialect. So just as among the thickets the cattle are not willing to go out enantiai, opposite, feminine, plural, nominative, opposite, or to meet, we might say, to meet a savage lion. This is feminine because it modifies boes, feminine. But instead, febontai, this is third, plural, present, middle, and indicative. It's a deponent verb. But instead they flee in fear. In groups, iledon, clumped together. This is an adverb. Clumped together, they cower, ptosusai. This is the verb ptoso. It is rather from the verb ptoso, and this is the participial form in the present tense. It's feminine plural nominative like boes and enantii. But they are afraid, cowering or crouching, in a clump, in a group, under or near the chropeia pukna. And these two words are both neuter, plural, and accusative with the preposition ana, and it means close-packed or thick undergrowth. We have then a couple of words here of quite similar meaning, xulakoisi and chropeia. So then eut begins the epic simile, and in the next episode, when we look at the subsequent lines, we'll see how the epic simile is completed. This is a picture of Asia Minor, and you can see here the city of Smyrna, which was the home of Quintus Smyrnaeus, the author of this poem.